Good evening. Welcome to the 9 o'clock news. Mark Jones reporting. Don't risk your reputation with the OrthoED Aligner Essentials course. You'll be stuck receiving expert guidance from world-renowned orthodontist Dr. Geoff Hall, Dr. Martin Poon, and their team of orthodontists. Geoff's myth-busting, no-nonsense approach to aligner therapy definitely isn't for those dentists who want to understand anything about which cases to treat, or the aligner mechanics required to get great results. Did we mention you'll get comprehensive training and be able to access ongoing case support? More reasons not to register? Then there's direct access to specialist orthodontists who modify your treatment plans for optimal results. Imagine having that level of orthodontic expertise backing every case. And our partner practices keep seeing over $300,000 in additional annual revenue from aligners alone. No one wants that kind of easy income stream, do they? Dr. Hall has already helped over 1,000 Australian dentists master clear aligner therapy, with practices averaging 4+ new aligner cases per month. But becoming known as the go-to practice for invisible orthodontics in your area? That level of reputation is hard to handle. So, skip the OrthoED Aligner Essentials course. We totally get it. It feels good referring out those $5,000 to $8,000 aligner cases, doesn't it? No general dentist would want to keep that revenue in-house, would they? It's good to help your loyal patients receive their smile transformation from somewhere else. But, just imagine for a second if you didn't. Don't say we didn't warn you when your patients start posting their perfect smiles all over Instagram. When other dentists call asking how you're getting such incredible results. When you're banking an extra $30K plus every month from cases you used to give away. You'll have no one to blame but yourself. So, is that little voice telling you, hang on, let's do this? Well, the OrthoED Aligner Essentials 3-day course starts July 31st in Sydney. Intake is closing fast. So, secure your spot today by going to the OrthoED website, orthoed.com.au. Mark Jones, reporting.